What's going on, folks? This is actually take two. I had some technical difficulties with take one for this one. So we're gonna do this one again. This one is Kids Corner by Pickaholic. There you go. Good old quick set keyway, and key is still mummied, and I'm probably gonna leave it that way. I just be careful when I gut it. So, but before we start picking, if you haven't checked out Pickaholic, his link's gonna be in the description. Go check him out. I got this on trade from Bronx Lock Picker. If you haven't checked out his channel, I don't even know why you're checking out mine. Go check him out. Go give him some love. He needs it just like the rest of the picking community. My Discord link's gonna be down in the comments, or not comments, but the description, like always. I'm putting some locks up on there for trade and for whatever, really. I gotta slim down the collection a little bit and get rid of some of my duplicates, triplicates, and 20 ofs. So, yeah, they're gonna be up on there. I'm just gonna add them as I come across them. So, just keep an eye on there, see, if there's something that you want. We'll work something out. But for right now, we're gonna try picking this one. I actually just picked it and locked it back up because that technical difficulties with the camera. So we're gonna do this. Bottom of the keyway, and just a short hook Euro, or not short hook Euro, a short hook Peterson, and let's see what we can get out of this. Alright, that was a click off of 4, 3, let's see. We're going to change to something deeper. This one's just an offset diamond from Peterson. Alright, that was 5, 4, 3 feels good. Oh, if I wouldn't have overset it, it felt good. Alright. 4, neat. Got a little bit of counter. Maybe. Yeah. This one doesn't reset just 1 or 2 pins real well. That was 1. Four. A little bit more out of 4. Oh, got another click out of 4. Actually, I think this is a 6-pin lock. I never even counted the pins. And that was an overset. You gotta click out of 3. There's a 3. 2, 3, 4. Alright, 5 feels set. Yeah, sorry I'm not talking much, folks. I'm a little rusty at these. It's 4. That was 5. 3. And 1. We're open. So 1 definitely has a T-pin in it, because I got no counter before that opened up. So we're gonna move that out of the way. We're gonna zoom out so I got a little bit more area to work. Alright, and gotta rotate it a little bit. This one's gonna be more of a fight to get off than actually picking it. There we are. I thought it was coming off. Yeah, sometimes these clips are more of a pain than the pick. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna do it the other way that I know. More than one way to skin a cat. We're gonna remove this key. I'll tape it back on there. Yeah, that one I almost locked it up on. What in the world is up with this lock? Does not want to be gutted. That took a lot longer than it should have. Sorry about that, folks. Normally I don't have to struggle with them that much. Oh, you're kidding me, my follower's too big. Or maybe not. Maybe if I was to line it up properly. Oh, that was about a screw up and a half. Maybe tonight's just not my night. You ever had those nights, folks? Alright. Got serrated in 1, a spool in 3. Can't tell what that is. Then looks like a serrated in 5, which we'll get a good look at those later. And they're right in front of me. That one came out with a vengeance. That's a nice looking spool in the last one. It looks like all the same spring. Alright. In the plug, 1 and 4 are threaded. And no undercuts on any of them. And in the Bible, it is plain Jane stock. So, let's see what we've got for pins. Alright. So, number 1, we've got a slightly serrated key pin with a stepped spool. 2 is a standard key pin with a serrated driver. 3 is a spooled key pin with a serrated driver. 4 is a very, very lightly serrated key pin with a serrated driver. 5 is a spool key pin with a spool driver. And all copper springs. But definitely check out Pickaholic, check out Bronx, and swing by, say hi, look at the locks that are up on Discord for grabs. Depending on where you're located, you know, I may just give them to you. Don't know yet. Kind of making that one up as I go along. So definitely look forward to seeing y'all on Discord. Help me grow my server, and I'll catch y'all later. Keep it legal.